Hi, friends. How are you? Friends, guess what? Chance has some visitors. Do you want to see who they are? Look, well, here's Chance. Hi, friends. There's Chance. Chance is going to sit over here. Look who came to visit. It's Godiva and Barry. They came to visit. Hi, friends. They're happy to see you. They missed Chance and then they came to visit. Yeah, we really missed Chance and we had to come and see him. So, how are you, friends? We missed you too, friends. Can we do a virtual hug? Let's hug. All right, so they're gonna sit over there. And guess who else is here, friends? Ellie. Woo! Hi, friends. So Ellie is there, Chance is there, Barry is there. They're all here for story time. Are you ready for story time? All right, let's sing our song. It's time for a story. It's time for a story. Open up, open up. It's time for our story. It's time for our story. Open up, open up. Friends, today we're going to read a story we haven't read before. It's about friends and it's called We Are Best Friends. Okay? We Are Best Friends, and that's by Aliki. And so you see these two friends, what are they doing? Yeah, they're swinging on the swing. And then I see trees, so these must be tree swings. That's pretty cool. We are best friends. Okay, let's get started. We are best friends. Looks like they're dressing up right there. Like they have on costumes. Oh, looks like they are building their friends. Look at their faces. Do they look like they're having fun? Someone looks angry, right? I see the little cat. They have blocks just like we do. And here, they're playing nicely together. See that? Playing nicely together. Peter came to tell Robert the news. I am moving away, he said. You can't move away, said Robert. We are best friends. So there's Peter. He came to tell Robert that he's moving away. I am moving far away, said Peter. What will you do without me? Asked Robert. Who will you play with? We will have a new house, said Peter. You will miss my birthday party, said Robert. I will be going to a new school, said Peter. I will make new friends, said Peter. You can't move away, said Robert. You will miss me too much. So Robert did not look happy at all. But Peter moved away. There was nothing to do without Peter. There was no one to play with. Friends, do you see all of those children in Peter's class, in Robert's class? Did he have somebody to play with if he wanted to? Yes, but I don't think he wanted to play with anyone else besides Robert. There was no one to share with. So he had a party and then he had toys, but there was nobody to share with. He looks very sad in that picture. There was no one to fight with, not the way best friends fight. There was no fun anymore. I'll bet Peter doesn't even remember me, said Robert. It's a good thing he's not here. Oh, look at that face. You see Robert's face? Look at that. He is very angry. Hello, my name is Will, said a new face. I don't like freckles, thought Robert. I used to go to another school, said Will. I don't like glasses, thought Robert. My friends are all there, said Will. I don't like silly names like Will, thought Robert. It was fun, said Will. Not boring like this place. So there's Robert right here, and he's trying to talk to Will. And look at Will's face. He has that angry face. Will does not want to hear anything Robert has to say. Robert doesn't want to hear anything Will has to say. A letter came from Robert. A letter from Peter. Dear Robert, I hope you still remember me. I like my new house now. I like my new school now. At first, I didn't like anything, but now I have a friend, Alex. You are my best friend, but Alex is nice. It is fun to have someone to play with again. It's not so lonely. Love, Peter. So you see how Peter used his colored pencils and he wrote Robert a letter. That was very nice of him. Friends, what kind of pets does Robert have? What is that? He has a dog, and what else do you see? He has a cat, right? And some kittens. See the little kitten right there by his leg? Robert drew Peter a letter. He drew two friends building a fort. He drew them playing with cars. He drew them riding their bikes. He wrote, if you were here, this is what we'd be doing, but you're not. Then he wrote, there is a new boy in school. He has freckles. Look at how hard he's working, writing his friend a letter. Robert saw Will by the fence. Did you lose something? He asked. I thought I saw a frog, said Will. That's funny, looking for a frog. What's funny about it? I like frogs, said Will. I used to have a pet frog named Greenie. He'd wait for me by the pond near where I live. He must miss me a lot. So you see, there's Robert on the bike, and then there's Will looking for frogs. I know where there are frogs, said Robert, right in my garden. You're right. You're just saying that, said Will. I mean it, said Robert. You can see for yourself. If I had a frog in my garden, I'd share it, said Will. That's what I'm doing, said Robert. So they're talking, and Robert is inviting Will to his house, to his yard, to look at his frogs. Robert and Will rode home together. They went straight into the garden. The frogs were there. One leaped under a bush and Will caught it. I'll call you Greenie the second, he said. You like me already, don't you? So Will caught a frog and he named him Greenie the second because his first frog was named Greenie. So he named him Greenie the second since it was his second frog. The frogs lay their eggs here every year, said Robert. It's almost time. My friend Peter used to come watch the tadpoles. He called them Inky Wiggles. He'll miss them. Why? Asked Will. He moved away, said Robert, just about the time you came. I write him letters. Then you can write him about the Inky Wiggles, said Will. They laughed. I haven't had so much fun since I moved here, said Will. Neither have I, said Robert. So Will and Robert are now playing together. I think they are now friends. Robert wrote to Peter. Dear Peter, I can't wait until summer when you come to visit. The new boy is called Will. I showed him the frogs. He had a pet one near his home, but he had to move away, like you. He thinks Iggy Wiggles is funny. I'll write when they hatch. Love, Robert. P.S. How is Alex? P.P.S. See you soon. So you see him working hard to write his letter. Robert mailed the letter, then rode over to Will's house to play. Where did he mail the letter, friends? What's that place called that you go to mail letters? Yeah, the post office. Post office. The end. So, friends, even though you are far away from your friends right now, are you guys all still friends? Yes, you're all still friends, and even though you can't see them right now, I bet they miss you. So we are going to do a video conference call um, on Friday. So what Miss Charles wants you to do today is draw a picture for one of the friends in class. Draw them a picture and then write their name on it and write your name on it. And when we have our Zoom call on Friday, you can show the picture to your friend, okay? So I hope that you guys are doing well. I miss you so, 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 so much. And I hope that you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Have fun drawing your picture and don't forget to write your name and write your friend's name, okay? All right, talk to you soon. Bye.